Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to continue on with our Numpy series. So alright, last time we looked at a really weird example, and forgive me, excuse me, let's go ahead and put this into memory. And Numpy was acting a little weird, but it did something that was interesting, and we need to talk about it. This is called advanced indexing. So I want you to take a second. So here's our X, here's our 3D array, and then now we have our, so we have, here's 0, then here's 1, here's 2. So we went 1 and then 0. Boom. Then we went 1 and 1. 1 and 1. So I want you to look at this. So there's a little bit of documentation that we need to look at. So, and also this is what threw me off when I was first going through this. Let me make sure we can see that. Okay. All right, cool. Is that this basically kind of, if we think about it, zipped it together. But then you might say, but why does it go and put it all in one array, and why isn't it multiple arrays? Because of this piece right here. Advanced indexes always are broadcast and iterated as one. So there we go. That is why. So we have advanced, and we have even a couple more examples. We have this array right here. We can look at that, and then here it is, returns it in one example. So we are indexing through and through. So I wanted to make sure that we talked about this before we got too far in, because I know when I first saw this, it blew me away, and I couldn't quite get it until I read this line. And then if you are really interested, you can look at broadcasting right here. This is some very good reading, and I will have these links down below. So that is the point of this channel. That's why it's so important to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we have videos like this coming out all the time. It's to fill in some blanks or set you down a path of looking and reading documentation that is interesting to you. It's to get you going and tear down the fear of learning programming and the Python language, and more important, the absolutely awesome libraries that other people have written in this wonderful community. So there we go. I wanted to split this out into two. That was why, because I thought this was important enough to kind of wet your whistle and then come back and for us to talk more about it. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.